Sometimes arriving in Marrakesh can feel like a mistake. In most areas of redevelopment, they are just dumping the rubble. Even at the Botanical Gardens in the city centre, you can hear cars, and they're just not well looked after. But I promise you, in a climate where nature should struggle, it still thrives. That's the beauty of nature. You just have to know where to look. That's what you have me for. Anima. Also known as André Heller Garden. If you saw my Lost in Morocco videos and you plan to visit Arica Valley, this is on the journey. Just a 40-minute drive south of Marrakesh. On Google Maps, I found this place by chance, and Google did not do it justice. But since it was on the way, I thought, let's check it out. And I was absolutely blown away. This location was like heaven to me. I wanted to just put my camera down and embrace it. But I had work to do. These sculptures contain the same rocks used to create the path. This tree was incredibly aesthetic, with roots that had been desoiled and reached the sunlight, forcing them to turn into branches, creating this very beautiful resemblance of the snakes on Medusa's head. Can you hear those bird sounds? It's beautiful. There's no time limit. There's even benches for you to just chill and enjoy the moment. This was my first time ever seeing this type of cactus. The beaver tail cactus, and such a healthy one. When they bloom, they have dark pink flowers that smell like watermelon and illuminate light so well that they appear to be glowing. Honestly, this garden is so well looked after. I noticed next to no symptoms of deficiency or toxicity in the foliage. The parameters of everything here just seem to be so perfect. You can tell it was designed with pride, it's been maintained with pride, and it's still managed by people who care about the garden. Now this was unexpected. I wondered, why is there mirrors and graffiti? But somehow, it works. The art is so beautiful. The benches, colorful. The mirror is perfect for a photo. And the further you get down the wall, the more beautiful the art becomes. You can walk around here for hours. It's a maze. You might see the same place once or twice, but you will keep finding new areas. Yes, that's a hammock. You can just lay back and enjoy the view. Great place for a date, right? The creativity of this tree stump is admirable. colourfully painted trees that remind me of Arica Valley. There's a hammock in there. Is this where she is? Oh no. Sorry. There is so many different species here. Decorative, slightly opaque sheets hung on bamboo like a washing line. It's cool.
Hi, find me. I am sleeping here.
I just saw one of those,
I
but
think I lost in this garden.
okay, I'll try to find you. It's a fun little challenge.
I am waiting for you to find me. I am
Okay,
here.
okay, I'll see you when I see you.
Okay, I will sleep for 5 minutes.
Okay, enjoy. I could not find her anywhere. This place was too big, too much to offer. I love the addition of the thinking man. And this palm tree was so perfect.
1, 2, 3.
I had to turn around and get it fully in frame. Did you like Anima Garden?
Yes, so much. Amazing.
How much out of 10?
Wonderful.
What's your score out of 10?
10 of them, maybe 11.
Maybe we're not finished. This place really is huge. Hey girl. Did you say you're hungry? Is that why you said it's time to go? You have to. How hungry are you?
so much. I don't have any energy.
What food you gonna buy me?
I don't know.
If you're paying, I want lobster.
Mm?
Lobster and caviar.
Caviar.
Yeah.
Yes, I can pay for you caviar.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Money.
Money is like rice in my pockets.
Why do you have rice in your pockets?
No, I said I have money like rice.
Like rice.
Yes. Means so much money.
Okay.
We say in Morocco عندي الفلوس كالرز.
What does that mean?
Means you have money like rice.
Money
so
like rice. I have insect bites like rice. Yeah, this is the exit. What is the ice? Is this Moroccan? Okay, because I see it in Turkey as well. Some cool hats. Ooh, so that was when they made this place. I recognize the mountains in the background. Just outside.
Viens voir. Elle doit être horrible. C'est joli. Inspirez, je pourrais avoir des هادو شحال هادو؟ هادو هادو شحال؟ بس بس وهذا بزاف مات
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching and don't forget to do like, subscribe and share.
Now say it in Arabic.
ما تنساوش تديروا لايك وسبسكرايب ومشاركة للفيديو. شكرا.
Now say it in French.
N'oubliez pas de faire j'aime, subscribe et partager la vidéo. Merci.
Now say it in Martian. Oh, there's more.
One, two, three.
If you would like me to feature your business, please contact me on the company email found in the video description.